Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos. This block is called Interwoven. It finishes at 16 inches. Here's the diagram, and we're just going to cut rectangles and squares for this. Here are 4 blocks set block to block. Patch A is a 2-inch by 8-inch finished rectangle. I cut all of these pieces from 2.5-inch strips. I cut the strips actually off of the fat quarters, but you can use your 2.5-inch strips for this. So patch A, we cut 8.5 inches by 2.5 inches. We need 4 patches of the dark fabric and 2 patches of the background. Patch B is a 2-inch by 6-inch finished rectangle. We cut 6.5 inches by 2.5 inches. We need 4 patches of the background. For these two, patch A and B, there are no AccuQuilt dies for this shape. You can cut strips from your strip cutter, your 2.5-inch strip cutter, and then cut these pieces that you need. Patch C is a 2-inch by 4-inch finished rectangle. We cut 4.5 inches by 2.5 inches rectangle. We need 4 patches of the dark fabric, 4 patches of the gold fabric, and 2 patches of the background fabric. Patch D is a 2-inch finished square. We cut 2.5-inch squares. We'll need 4 patches of the dark and 4 patches of the background. And here are the AccuQuilt dies for patches C and D. There are 5 steps to completing this quilt, and we'll just go one step at a time. Here are the fabrics I've chosen. This is patch A, the biggest rectangle, the 8-inch finished rectangles. Patch B is the 6-inch finished rectangles. C are the 4-inch finished, and D are the squares, the 2-inch finished squares. Step 1, and we're going to make 2 each of these 4 units with the C and the D patches. The first one, we'll take the C background patches, 2 of these, and then 2 of the dark D patches. So those together like this. Then 2 of the C rectangles, the gold rectangles, and 2 of the D background squares. Sew these units together, so the square to the rectangle, and press the seams open. The next set is these 2, the gold ones, and the black squares. That's one set. And then we have the black rectangles and the white squares. You sew these 2 together and these 2, press the seams open. For step 2, we take the units from step 1 and sew them together in pairs. So we'll have 2 of these, unit A I'm calling them, and 2 of these, unit B's. And here are the pairs you put together. Sew them together in pairs and press the seams open. For step 3, we start with unit A from here and sew a C patch to this side. Then we sew an A patch to the top and bottom. Here's the unit A. The C patch goes on this side. You sew that together and press the seams open. Then we take an A patch, sew it to the top and the bottom. And you'll do 2 of these. For step 4, we'll take this B unit, sew a B patch to either side, and press the seams open, then sew the A patch to the top. So these will go like this. So the B patches to the side, press the seams, then sew this A patch to the top, and you'll make 2 of these. Follow the diagram and let's put the block together. And there's your block. We'll sew these two together and these two together, press the seams, and sew the 2 rows together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos.